Patricia from NZ Baby Buggy. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to manoeuvre the Everest Baby Buggy. In particular, mums love this buggy for the wheel system. The wheel system has been New Zealand engineered for all terrains, so beach, rural and everything in between. In terms of being able to remove the wheels, it is just a press of a spring button, and it just easily comes out. And again, to put it in, it's just a press and click. You can also lock the front wheel. This is really good for bumpy terrains, and there you go, it's locked.